Nano world may come from the combination of two words, which is nano and world. The term nano means is a unit prefix, meaning 1 billionth, used primarily with the metric system. In terms of sizes, it is incredibly small and impossible to see by a human naked eye. The second word is world, which means the whole of the physical universe. Now that we have a little background, what does nano world means? Why don't we dive right into it, shall we? A nanometer is a unit of measurement for length, just as you have with meters and centimeters. First, to put things into perspective, this is how small a nanometer is. It is equivalent to 0.00000000001 meters. That is 1,000 times smaller than a microbe with the size of 1 micrometer. That microbe is 10,000 times smaller than a centimeter. Nanoscale is mind shatteringly small. In fact, it is so small that the rigid of laws of physics that we believe is absolute started to collapse at that scale. That is when collective brilliance, physicists and scientists started forming quantum mechanics. However, we are gonna talk about the basics first. Why is nanoscale is so important? Nanoscale is the scale of individual atoms. Moving an atom itself is a very easy endeavor. Just boil water and water atoms will start to vibrate and move, eventually having enough energy to fling itself to the air. The hard part is to move a single atom precisely. However, how are we going to be able to move an atom precisely if we cannot even see it? That's when scanning, tunneling microscopes come into play. They made it possible for humans to observe an atom. This is a huge breakthrough. Thousands of researchers started to look into the applications of nanoscale precision. Finally, the age of nanotechnology came. As the years passed, we started to discover that materials made by the same atoms can exhibit different properties to the atom itself. For example, carbon nanotubes is made by restructuring carbon atoms. It has the rigidness of diamond, on certain direction depending on the structure. It also has the conductivity of graphite. However, the most interesting things is it only conducts on along an axis rather than a three-dimensional plane like graphite. These discoveries cemented nanoscience as one of the future branches of sciences that will help us to lead to more discoveries in the future. It also led to discoveries of various useful theories and future pitfalls that humanity will face. Let's have a glance on how nanotechnology can impact our lives in terms of medicines and prolonging lifespan. People have the chance to get access to much faster, more accurate, and functional medical diagnostic equipment. Have you heard about the technology called Lab-on-a-Chip, which enables testing in real time and speeds up delivery of urgent medical care? All nanomaterial surfaces, which are used for producing modern implants, resist any kind of infection. One more thing about the medicine is pharmaceutical. Products contain nanoparticles which improve their absorption within our bodies. They are also used to deliver chemotherapy drugs to the affected cancer cells.